So we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your cue card is describe a goal that you achieved which was set by yourself, right? You've got 1 to 2 minutes to speak on this topic card. So please, you can take a start.
As far as the topic of my cue card is concerned, I would like to describe the goal which I achieved recently. If I go back 2 years ago, I set a goal to do my MBA from one of the world's largest institute. It's known as LUMS, Lahore University of Management Sciences, and that was a goal which I set in my bachelor time when I was doing bachelor's. So after that I decided to go at LUMS University for my MBA. So that was a goal which I set in my life, and I achieved it. If I go back in my past, when I was young and in school, I set so many goals, but unfortunately I did not achieve these goals. The one goal which I set in my childhood that I want to join Pak Army, but unfortunately I didn't get this goal because I didn't work hard for the achievement of that goal. So that is the goal which I set some years back, and I achieved this.
All right, that's very well. Today you performed very well, huh? Thank you. Good job. Should give your sadqa today. Yeah. Something.
Yes.
50 rupees or 100 rupees or whatever. Yeah, this is good. I mean, today you performed well, unusually well.
Yes.
But this is so good. Okay, we now move on to IELTS, and you spoke well. You covered the topic, although there were some slips.
Yes.
Slip is a minor grammatical mistake,
Okay.
but overall it was better. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do people need to write down goals or simply memorize them?
No, everyone need to write down goals, because if you write down your goals on page and then you going for follow up these goals, so it's important to write down your goals and follow accordingly.
Okay. Do people in your country usually set goals?
Yes, no doubt. Everyone in our country have their goals.
Everyone has
Their goals, and they want to achieve their goals. So everyone set their goals and they want to achieve this.
Okay, now this is repetition. You need to come up with something different.
Yes.
Like, do people in your country set goals? Start should be very powerful. Obviously, people do set goals in my country. People are actually goal oriented and they set certain goals, and when they achieve those goals, they celebrate. So in my country, setting goals is very, very common. Something like that. Okay, let's go on. Should parents set goals for their children?
Yes, of course, parents need to set goals for their children. If they do this and guide their children, definitely they will achieve their desired goals.
When do young people start setting goals for themselves?
When they join college life, after school life, when they enter in college life, that is a time when mostly students set their goals for their future.
Okay, what are the kinds of goals that are unrealistic?
If someone want to adopt someone's personality, I think this is the unrealistic goal which you want to adopt, want to achieve, because you have your own personality and you can't change your own personality.
All right, thank you. For part 3, you should elaborate a little more, and then there are some grammatical mistakes which you are repeating. Most of them are subject verb agreement, like you are adding s where it is not required, and you are not adding s where it is required. Like you said children's 2-3 times, child and children. Okay, and then you said someone want to. It should be someone wants to. So this is what we call subject verb agreement mistakes. At present, I'll give you a 6.5, but if you improve these mistakes, you can easily get 7 band.
Inshallah.
Right? Inshallah. Thank you.